Hi friends, this video shows how to install software update. First, go to settings, then go to right side and select all settings. Then go down and select support. Then select software update. Then select update now. See, now it's checking for the update, so please wait. See, it shows that there is an update. We have to download and install it. Tap on now, select now. So now it's downloading the update, so please wait. After download, it will restart the TV and install it. See, now it's rebooting and installing the update, so please wait. Okay, done. So this way we can download and install software update. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.